Let's talk about the latest news on the Decreto Flussi. The Immigration Flow Decree, Decreto Flussi, is the measure by which the Italian government establishes each year the entry quotas for non-EU citizens who may enter Italy for employment, self-employment, seasonal work and conversion of permits. For the year 2022, a first entry of workers has already been allowed, which brought a flow of about 69,000 workers. The largest number of requests for work came from agriculture industry, but the required manpower was not sufficient to meet the shortage in all the other important sectors for which the measure was planned. For this reason, the government has decided to plan again for the year 2022 a second flow of workers. In this video, we will see what are the main innovations expected for the next Decreto Flussi and the news on this important slot. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be sure not to miss the next important news and to be always updated on the Italian law and especially on your rights. So let's start. Number one, the great news is that for this lot, the flow of workers will consist of the largest number that has ever entered Italy. The expected quantity could be far higher than 70,000 workers. Number two, even if it's not yet known the exact day to send the applications, this time the improved procedures seems to promise higher speed and efficiency, as a few days ago the immigration minister announced the agreements with the other European states for better control over immigration, entry procedures for work and identity checks. Number three, the Italian government has announced that it has made investment to improve the network linked to the procedure, improve the ministry website for the Decreto Flussi, and recruit new members to increase the Italian Immigration Agency staff. Number four, this time there will be more sectors for which will be possible to apply for work. The sectors that have already asked for help due to a large shortage of workers are construction, tourism, agriculture, and family assistance. Number five, for this lot, the entry of workers will not only be a hope on the part of the workers, but the request is loudly presented by the whole Italian industry, which faces a serious demographic problem and lack of qualified personnel to be included in specific job positions. For this reason, now the problem is of national interest, and the government has announced that it will do everything possible to bring in new qualified workers to save the fate of the industry and therefore of the Italian economy. In these terms, the sentence pronounced by the Italian Prime Minister Mario Draghi is rich in meaning when he claims that he will do whatever it takes. So that's all for this video too. I hope I've been as much clear and correct as possible to have reported the most important news about the Decreto Flussi and Italian law to all our friends who watch my channel all over the world and who have asked me for an edition in English. So smash the like button here and make sure to subscribe. For everything else, I wish you the best. See you in the next video. Ciao!